Hello, welcome to Bocasto Technology. It has been a while that I posted a new video, and it was just due to one or two reasons. And thank God, today we are back again. It's today that I just found this wonderful app, and I say it's better I show it to more people so that they can have benefit of it. This app, it has been the system for a while small, and people have been using it, including me. And it's just this time that they need more people, they need more customers into the app, so they put on promotions, giving bonuses, giving cashes for referrals. If you are able to refer someone into it, they have some amount of money that they will be giving to you, and I've earned a lot of it from it, and I want to show it to others so that they can also have their chance of winning that kind of bonuses and money to be able to sustain themselves. This app is a place where you can buy airtime, bundle, and pay water bills and others, and even renew your DSTV subscription. So the app is very nice and good. They have some cash back when you buy something from it. They have an amount of money that they will giving to you as a cash back, so that maybe later on, if you feel like, or feel like haven't using it, or if you don't have any money in your account and you want to buy something in there, you can go there and use the cashback, as today what I just did. So it's very nice. What you need is just to click on the link on the description. After clicking, it will link you up to here. Then you enter your number, your telephone number that is linked to your Momo. So you just enter your telephone number, assuming this is my telephone number. Then after that, you now tap on grab this bonus. So let's tap on grab this bonus. So you see you have coupon 5 cedis. They have given you coupon 5 cedis. That means when you have to buy something there, they will reduce the price of 5 cedis from it, so that you will proceed to buy and earn your money. And if you refer, they will give you 16 cedis in addition. So what you just need is to tap on download the app. And see, I've already have the app in my phone, so it will just link you to the app. So this is how it will appear in your phone. So you just need to tap on me, then you see tap on sign up or login to create your account. So after that, then go to sign up. Then you enter your telephone number on the sign up. So the link is just in the description. So what you just need is to tap on the link and then proceed. Then when you enter so you come here, you select the country that you're from, or it's only for Ghanaians. I think so. It's only for Ghanaians because they don't bring out the countries, and it's only for Ghanaians. So enter your phone, then tap on the SMS, so that they will send you the verification code. You enter it here. You enter the verification code there, and then enter your first name. After that, your last name, and whether you are male or female. So you select that. Then your date of birth. You enter your date of birth and confirm. Then after the date of birth, you now enter the invitation code. As is in my description, you can just copy the invitation code and paste it here. So let's enter our invitation code here. This is my invitation code. Then let's proceed. Let me enter the number here. So let's enter our name, our first name. I'm a female, so my date of birth here. I just want to go with the procedure so that you can see. So we left with the number and then the verification code. Let's enter the number here. So you have entered the code, the number, the name, the last name, and then the sex, that's the male or female, date of birth, and then the invitation code. Then tap on sign up. Then after that it will link you up to here. Then you just, that's the password for the app that you want to use, whether you want to use. So let me say I'm using so I've entered the one that I want to use, so it will come again for you to repeat it. I've repeated it and it is loading, so let's wait for it. Boom, this is where it's now linking me to. So they say we are preparing for the bonus, so let's wait for it. It is still loading, so let's tap on check it.
Спить 2.